Hello everyone, today let us find out how to gather all the Wi-Fi password information in Windows 10. Using a single command, let us find out all the system Wi-Fi passwords. Go to your system taskbar, click on Wi-Fi and Internet and click on Network and Internet Settings. Select Wi-Fi. Click on Manage Known Networks. Here you will find all the earlier connected Wi-Fi names. Run the following commands to show the profile as well as to export it to the key folder. Search for CMD on Windows Search, and run as administrator. Type the following command to show all profiles. netsh WLAN show profile. Press enter. We can see all the profiles listed below here. Copy the next command from the description below. Which lists all the profiles and save drive. Go to C drive where all your profiles will be saved. Select any one of the profile and open it with Notepad. An XML file will open which will contain the profile password. If you want to see the current Wi-Fi password, go to Network and Internet Settings, and select Ethernet and click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on your Wi-Fi connection, wireless properties, security, and show characters of the network security key. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.